Hey guys, in today's video, we'll be going over how to install a finish cover onto a view wall start. This situation is going to apply when you have the stud side of the view wall start facing you with an L bracket attaching the view guide to the wall start. The finish cover will run from floor to ceiling. Since we already have the view guide installed with the L bracket attaching the view guide to the wall start, we'll need to modify the finish cover to allow it to bypass the view guide and the L bracket. To do this, we'll notch out a section of the finish cover to allow it to bypass the L bracket and view guide. To cut out the notch, you could take a section of the view guide, center it on the finish cover, mark out the view guide, and then cut out the section of the finish cover with a pair of tin snips or a saw. Once you have notched out the section of the finish cover, you can then install it onto the wall start. With the full-length finish cover notched out, take the finish cover and place it onto the wall start. With the finish cover in place, install the top portion of the finish cover onto the wall start. Once the top portion is started, we're going to grab the bottom of the finish cover and slide it up to the ceiling. Once you have the finish cover in place, go ahead and finish installing the finish cover onto the wall start. If any edge of the notch is exposed once the finish cover is installed, that's perfectly okay. When the view track is installed onto the view guide, it will cover up those exposed edges of the notch. With that said, this will be the conclusion of the video. If you have any questions, please contact our office.